Hey Craft Crew, it's Charity, and I'm coming with you today to show you how I created this, what do you call it? What am I doing? Cake topper. So in Photoshop, I arrange my image how I want to, which I've already done. So what I am going to do now is just kind of take down the stroke a little bit, which is the purple outline. Let me see, make sure I'm working with the right thing. Okay, this can go totally. So this is my stroke. I'm gonna double click on it. I'm gonna bring it down. Yeah, to about a 10. Okay. So then I'm gonna go through and do that to everything. Stroke, bring it down to about a 10. And this will just affect the outline of everything. So when that comes back, it's not as major. Gonna do the same thing for the number 3. This is a theme that I've been working on, and if I need to come forth with a full-on tutorial on how you can go about creating your own cake topper in Photoshop, well, let me tell you this. I use Photoshop at the moment, Design Space does not give you that option. You really have to do like some rigged, turn on your, what is it called? Turn on your bleed, and then save screenshot, and then put like way too much. Come on here and simply add a stroke, and you can change the size. Okay, so now I'm hoping that it goes in this down. And that's pretty much done, except for here. Just simply delete that. So now that it's like this, I'm going to save as a PNG. Okay, save as PNG. I want to say new outline. Okay. All right. So, and then moving forward, just a real quick one. I would take away each piece and save it as a PNG on its own, except for this clip art. I hate that I lose it. Except for the clip art, which would be the dinosaur and the volcano, because I didn't change the dimensions, so I could just enter it into Design Space and size it accordingly there. I could have also done that, but I didn't. So I'm coming here. I've already cut everything else. So with me using just the new outline, I'm going to. So this is how it looks, and then I end up adding these different variables for different ones. But what I'm going to do is take this black and make it disappear. So now I'm going to upload my new piece, which if you have not seen that before, you go here, image, upload image here, you will upload a pattern, and let me show you what that looks like. No, let me show you what it looks like if you upload a pattern. So here with Rick, I'm going to come here to the print, and you can go to pattern, move the okay. When the function is working properly, so it's not something that's like a tangible square that's out here. It's actually like a paint. So anyway, I'll have to check on that at a different time. Browse, Click action. Here it is. I want to just complex. Really do something. I'm not working with the actual image. You see our image is a little the details, which is fine. I'm gonna click continue. I'm gonna click over on this one because this is the one I'm more concerned with and using. So in, insert it. The size is really pretty good. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it to the back to check it out. You sent it back. It's pretty good. I'm going to hide it. Then I'm going to group this. This will be able to help me bring it back. I'm going to click on both parts and do center. Well, it didn't work out because I moved the dinosaur a little bit. But that's how it looks. What is in a variable I did. So what would be perfect is this. Well, I pieced it together on its own, so with it not being perfect right here, that's fine. I'm gonna make it. And I'm going to cut it on my machine. I'm gonna put it in black. I'm gonna put it in black. I'm gonna use and I'm gonna be using a heavy cardstock. Place it on my mat. Okay. I'm gonna press the flashing C. Okay, I'm gonna pause it and go ahead and let it cut. Because my mat is kind of crappy and I picked the wrong one. Actually, I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, y'all, so I finished cutting it out with my machine. And so now I'm gonna cancel since I've previously done this before I started screen recording. Cancel yes. Cancel again. So yeah. So in the video that I'm about to record, it's gonna be a quick hyperlapse video, but it's going to show me assembling the green background. I figured I need to differentiate between the two. The green background is going to be what I just did, and the black one is what I did previously. So I hope this helps you and inspires you to create your own. I think I will prefer the green one just because it's tighter. It's not more empty space or a lot of space being the background. But we'll see, and you be the judge. I also want to let you guys know that I'm doing a giveaway soon. Our Facebook page is up to, I think 1.3K or something like that. Um, all over the span of about 4 days, which is like mind blowing. So I'm happy about that. I want to give away some Valentine's Day stuff. Also, thank you to my new subscribers. I am finally at 100. Hopefully, I'll look back on this day and feel like, wow, just 100. But as of right now, I'm grateful for the milestone. I'm grateful that you guys have accepted me back. Although I have been gone away from my channel for a while, I just thank you guys. It just lets me know that I can help you guys, in different ways. I'm excited to also come back while I'm setting up. I'm excited to show you guys how I created my all over sublimation shirt for my son's birthday. It is on my Facebook and Instagram. If you have not seen it, it is Toy Story. And I'm just super excited to be able to do that with my workforce Epson, converted Epson. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and get this out to you guys. There will be another video dropping, I believe, tomorrow. This is actually just a random video, but a video in honor of National Sticker Day, which according to my planner is Tuesday, um, January 14th. So I'll have that going, showing you my custom stickers. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next part of this video.